Hi friends, welcome to the channel Trading Strategies. Today is 16th August 2020. So we'll see for the next week, that is 17th August to 21st August 2020, what are the important levels for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and also the weekly range for the two indices. So Nifty and Bank Nifty. Friends, if you see on last my video, I explained about the NESCO. So after this whenever after uploading this video, the next day the price fallen. So 503 was the closing price that day when this video uploaded, and after that it's small correction, it came around 500 or 498 or something, and immediately it tested next day itself it tested our target of 560. 2-3 days it has given a 60 rupees profit in the NESCO. So I'm giving a decent stocks which are giving a decent momentum. So maybe 1 or 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, we will get a decent profit in the stock. So this video also I'm going to discuss about 2 stocks for the momentum only. Only momentum stocks, maybe 3 days, 4 days, 5 days or 10 days. So that momentum stocks I'm going to discuss 2 stocks, and Nifty and Bank Nifty important levels. Straight away we'll go to the Nifty technical chart. So this is the Nifty technical chart, weekly chart. If you see the weekly levels, it is unable to cross 11,380. So this is the stiff resistance area, 11,373, 370, or whatever it may be. Sorry. So 11,380. So on the downside, we are getting some support about 10,900. So 10,900, 10,880, that zone we are getting decent support. In the coming week also, if you see the weekly range also, 11,460 and 10,900. That is the total weekly range. According to that, we can have some option strategies also. In the previous week, I explained 11,500 and 10,900 is the range. So within the range it traded. So high is 11,373 and 11,111 is the last week high and low. So if you see on the daily chart also, the key levels we can note down. So these are the important levels for the Nifty. So on the highest side, 11,340 and 11,380, and the downside 11,100 and 11,060. This is the important levels. If 11,060 breaks and goes down, there is a demand area at 10,950 and 10,880 zone. So that is a decent support may get here. So according to these levels, we can trade in the coming week. That is from tomorrow onwards, Monday to Friday, right? So we'll see the Bank Nifty also. Friends, Bank Nifty also is a lot of weeks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks. It is in a small range only. If you see the entire range for this couple of weeks, so the high is 23,200 we can say, and the low is 22,000, this range. So 20,900. See, 20,900 and 23,150. So of 100 and yeah. So this is the total range for a couple of weeks. It is trading within the range. So in my last week video, we discussed that the total range, expected range for the week. This is the weekly candle. It is a bearish candle. If you see the range of that particular candle, the last week, 22,439 and low is 21,459. So in my last video, I explained the expected range for the Bank Nifty, that is 22,498 and 21,000. So this is within our range. So as per that range, if you have any option strategy, the option sellers has got a decent money in the week. So this week also, what is the range? We'll see. The entire range for the week is 22,430 and 20,900. So in this range, we can have a option strategy and we can make some decent money. So we'll see the on daily chart also important levels. So these are the important. So if you see the trend line is up only. and the trend line and our demand zone is matching here. So the levels are important: 21,620 and 21,370. If 21,370 breaks and sustains on the below of that level, so there is a probability of testing 21,000 this week. So we have to very cautious trading Bank Nifty, because the comparatively Nifty, Bank Nifty is a little bit weak, and also it is consolidating from last couple of weeks. So it may break either side. So we should be very cautious on that. So we'll discuss two stocks for positional trading. The two stocks for positional trading. The one is Lupin. We'll see the Lupin chart. Friends, this is the Lupin chart. It has given a decent breakout at 954. It has given a breakout and retested the breakout levels at 936 and 954 level. This has given a breakout and retested and given a breakout again. So this rally may continue up to 1050 and 1098. They are the two important levels. So reason is the price, it went here and dropped and it is going up. It may travel up to 1050 and 1098. So intraday or 1 or 2 days, any correction in the price, that can be opportunity to enter a long trade and keeping a stop loss of 2% and aim for a target of 1050 and 1098. 1050 is the 100% Fibonacci extension and 1098 is 138.2% of the Fibonacci extension. So that is the two important levels. We can expect that Lupin may go up to that. So the second stock is Ashoka Buildcon. We'll see that chart also. So this is the daily chart of Ashoka Buildcon. If you see the chart, this is the resistance levels 67 and 69.90. It has given a breakout on Friday and closed above the zone. So the trade plan should be breakout of the trade, breakout of the level. So it has to sustain 69.90 Monday also. If sustain that level, there is a buying opportunity, keeping a 2% stop loss and aim for a target of 87 to 89. So this is the supply area, 87 and 89 area. So we can have a long position. And if you see the momentum also, it has given last 3 days a decent momentum. So, and the momentum with the volume. So I observed that the price is moving higher high and the volume also increasing. So that means the price may go further upside. So that is the reason I selected this stock. So I explained two stocks, Lupin and Ashoka Buildcon, and Nifty, Bank Nifty weekly levels and the trade. So that's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please share it to your friends. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.